some pollen, so I have a lot. I don't know if it's cheating. I'm probably not gonna do it again. I might, because I have 1 month until this challenge is over. I have to be there. Well, it's not gonna be over, but like that's why I want to be done. So, honestly, I'm probably not gonna get there. I don't know why I'm so ambitious, but yeah. So who knows? I didn't get much. I think I got some six. Yes. Anyways, so I'm probably just gonna spend some of this pollen on what? I'm gonna see how much I need 5 more eggs for 25. I'm not sure what I need to do for Blackbeard's quest. Oh yeah, this one. It shouldn't be insanely hard, so I can really do that. So I'm just gonna, I don't even know, man. I'm just gonna quickly kill this, cause I mean, like 7 million is pretty good. Like that's insane amounts. And I think you're dead. Yes, you are. But I'm not sure. Who knows? But yeah, I'm gonna see how much. If it costs too much, I'm probably gonna buy. Actually, first thing first, I'm gonna go get this hat, boots, and maybe the belt thing from the 10-year job, because I think I talked to whatever his name is up there if I get it. Yeah, hiking boots, belt buckle, but should have enough. I don't think it's that expensive. Ooh, okay, that's not good. Kind of like a brace, so I'll literally need 53 more. Okay. I could buy some of these. I could also server hop 4 sprout there, but I don't think it's gonna be the quickest way to get it. I really think I'm gonna have to. It's a hard one. I'll be right back. Anyway, so I'm probably just gonna grind my blackberry quest until I get enough, till I get enough pineapples for whatever his name is, for the belt or the hat. Yeah, it's not be too hard. 250 trees. I can't beat the pineapples too, dude. 73. Come on, give me a mythic. I can get a mythic. It's gonna be insane. Please. Oh well, that's fun. It's good, ACB. Oh, I need this. Ooh, what is? I forgot what. Wait, do I need this one? And I do not need it. I can just delete it. Awesome. I know I can't double it. I tried it. Anyways. Come on, give. I don't like stubborn beef. We were stubborn. Okay. I'm just gonna go grab some blackberry quests until I get whatever I need. Actually, I'm gonna go do. Ooh, I need these. I need these. I need this spit. I think it's spit. I don't know. Ooh, some pineapple. Yes. Only minuscule. Anyway, I'm gonna go do the ant challenge again. Yesterday. Yeah, I'm happy I got it. Is that good? Nah, not really. Let's retry it. This isn't bad. It isn't bad so far. What are these rebel patches for? Wait, is that new person near Red Hive? Red HQ? Probably. That's neat. That's neat. That's neat. That's neat. I'm probably gonna do a freeze, epic fishes. I'm just gonna go up there and just cut to whenever I am. Whenever I'm doing the day I finish it. Or looks like vicious be more like me or something. Which is obvious. Anyways. I'm just gonna be here a couple more minutes. I'm gonna see you once I get around to a minute of this. Some of me. Or I can just bro, I just yes, so dumb. I'm dumb. I'm just kidding. But gamble, it's not a bad beat. Okay, I'm not mad with that extra damage. Alright, I'm gonna go do the quest, cactus, and pine. Yeah, bro, this is well, I'm right here. I was just walking up, like what? Anyways, I was checking the shop, right? There's choose one mythic egg, 25 blue extra, 25 wheels, 5 extra tires, 4 files, 5 ticket planners, 1 black balloon. Okay, I was thinking, if y'all want me, I'll buy that. Like, I don't mind buying it. Like, probably, oh, you want to buy it again? I don't care. I will brush out of it, but hey, it would be useful because I can get a fuzzy beam, which can so easily speed up my progress. Can I turn? So, it also be useful, and I get those ticket planners, which I believe are insanely good. So, that's one thing. And it's just like, I would love to buy it, but I don't want to buy it. Yeah, like, if you watch the video, you're like, oh my god, why do you buy that? It's like so unfair. Like, I don't want y'all to be mad at me for buying something. Like, I don't want y'all to be mad. Like, I would love to buy this, but I know maybe not fair. Like, but I don't know. Who knows? I just want to make people happy. That's what I want to do this video. Make you happy. Hey, if you ain't happy, I ain't happy, man. I'm not gonna make it perfect for everyone. But go for this one real quick. I'm too slow. You gotta be kidding me. Go for that one first. I need money. There might be a spot in RB. Ooh, root work. Love that. Yeah, I can get like a mythic egg. Just not worry about choosing the mythic egg. If I can just get one. I don't think it's possible to get one though. Next one. There's an next field. It's pretty far from me. I can't jump that high. So hey, it's not even bad. See, I got, I think, no pineapples basically, but that's chill. I'm done with that. I need to finish this quest. I'll see y'all once I'm done with this quest. So yeah. Alright, let's finish this quest. Not bad, pretty good. Ooh, nice little. Where'd they go? Okay, one conversion, right? Instant conversion, yeah, instant, which is pretty nice. Love to see it, love to see it. Mid rewards. 275,000. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And 355 mid bad. Not bad, not bad. No. Actually, not the worst, because I'm able to grind, whatever it is, grind pineapples while doing this, so it's not the worst. I don't mind rage Yeah, KB. Somebody hates you, guy. Let's go sunflowers. Go 60 of them. Get them higher level. Level 5. How close? Oh, not that close. What are these level 5s at? Kind of close, I'm guessing. Yeah, I need to feed them more. I need to feed you 88. I need to feed you all of these. Not close. Not bad. 70. Not bad. Got. I just want to have my guys all equal level. Like feed you some treats. Good. Hey, glitter. Don't think I saw it earlier. I have some meteors. But I'll see you on the other quest. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. Damn, damn, I didn't know how far mine was. I'm one. I'm sorry, guys, if I'm gonna have to stop right here, guys. It is 5:30 for me already. Like, I don't got time to do. I'm sorry, sorry, I don't have the time. It's like 9:30 for me. It's a little, like 9, maybe. But, like, it's just no time to do this. So I'm sorry. I'll have to do it tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. I'm trying to do it a lot earlier. Trying to do it around 4